Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be coming to you guys with a get ready with me. Today is Easter, so I decided to put some makeup on because I haven't worn makeup in like who knows how many days since quarantine started. I know y'all tired of me looking like a bum. But yeah, I really like how this makeup look came out. It's like a soft glam makeup look, I guess. I don't know. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Also, before you continue watching this video, be sure to leave me a comment down below. I want you guys to start interacting with me more. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Check out some more videos. I have plenty on my channel. Also, turn those post notification bells on and like this video. And I'll see you guys in a few. I dropped my eyeshadow down the sink.
Huh?
My eyeshadow. Okay guys, so instead of doing a yellowy...
Woo!
Instead of doing a yellowy crease, I'm gonna do like a peachy, like a soft peachy with these shades right here in the Jaclyn Hill palettes and see how that works.
Been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two,
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me our thoughts can't get what where we're growing. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want more. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking.
Okay guys, so that pretty much completes this look. I had to put these lashes on with no mascara, so if they look a little off, that's why. But now I just gotta put my lip combo on for today. So I'm going to be wearing the KKWBD lip liner in 2.5. I pretty much always use this one. It's like my go-to now. And I'm going to be using the Kylie lip gloss in So Cute. Looks like this. I'm just going to put a clear gloss over top from the Beauty Supply store.
Penthouse view, left some flowers in the room. I'll make sure I leave the door unlocked. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock.
Alright. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Get ready with me for Easter to go sit on the couch, pretty much. I hope you guys are still doing well. I always gotta say that at the end of the video. Make sure you guys are staying safe, staying blessed. Count your blessings. This will all be over soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Never felt like this before.